welcome to Umkosini Umagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. So, one thing about the Cocos Curtain, you'll never know what to expect, guys. Nango Cocos Curtain on a Q&A Instagram, one person asked ukuthi uzophinde ashade futhi and ufila kanjani njengoba angasese married woman. Then she answered at I have never been married. Ufuna ukuthini manje uGogo Scotty makathi she has never been married because we all know that she was married to ubaba wengane zakhe which uMonde Shange, naye bekazibiza uTumi Muthwening Shange / Shange, noGogo Scotty bekabiza uGogo Scotty / Shange. Then what happened to that? I remember on the reality show yabo that was playing on Moja Love. She said Baba Liana, which is Umonde Shange, paid ilobola for her, and so he also paid ilobola for Idlozi, like, which is something eyenziwayo ngathi mawisangoma or when nabantu abadala. I think bathi mele umuntu aphinda lobola Idlozi ukuthi Idlozi lenganihluphe emshadweni. I remember that. And guys, I've seen pictures of Cocos Curtain aphethe umbrella igcwele imali kuthiwa umembeso wakhe nomyeni yakhe. Guys, all Cocos Curtain akabelieve ukuthi i-traditional wedding is umshado. She doesn't consider a traditional wedding as umshado because according to my understanding, i-traditional wedding umshado, and umshado ubaluleke kakhulu to us Africans more than any wedding, guys. Awukho umshado ondlula i-traditional wedding. Awukho umshado ondlula traditional wedding as ama-Africans. Yes, you may go to court to sign, but I think as Africans lo mshado awurecognize kini if usayinile but awukhiphwanga ilobolo, awumbeswanga, all that process. And the way thina sazi ngakhona, the way we were told by her and ex-boyfriend, I think, or baby daddy wakhe, because now uthi they were never married. Bebathe bona bashadile, even lobola that Idlozi. I remember there was also an argument saying uGogo Scotty uzlobolile. On one of the lies, someone said uGogo Scotty uzlobolile. Then she responded with the fact that I had imali ukuzlobola, that means something. The fact that I gave him imali ukuzlobola, that means we truly loved each other. So guys, one thing about Cocos Scotty, you'll never know what to expect and when to expect it. Now uthi angeke yena aphinde, oh yena she has never been married, maybe usazoshada, she has never been married because there's never an alilili. So to her that means amalobolo is not umshado. Then someone asked ukuthi uzophinde abuyelane noMonde Shange, which is Baba Liana, guys. Then she said forward. That answer said all. That means she'll never go back to Umonde. I, guys, not like putting a but I do not see a reason Umonde because she's doing good after Umonde, and after the allegations of kuthiwa uMondo uyamshaya, uMondo uphula into zabo, uMondo akamlekeleli even nange-maintenance engane. And remember that time uBoyo bekasaphila, and i-treatment kaBoyo, it was very expensive. As asasho ukuthi she's still paying ibhedlela uBoyo bekakuyo, ama-surgery uBoyo awenze, it was very expensive. Those things izinto bekazenzayo one. So I do not think or feel with the need of her going back to uMonde Shange. It seems like uMonde Shange kuko konke nje bekahleli yena Prince ayenzelwa everything uGogo Scotty. And obvious that thing uma umfazi iyakukhathaza emoyeni and iyakustraina, man, iyakustraina working for ingane zakho. Remember uGogo Scotty ingane zakhe, it was not uBoyo no Liana phela, unezinye ingane ngaphandle as uMonde amthole nazo. Understand, working for ingane zakho, then uphinde uzosebenzela umntana omunye umuntu omthole anamazinga 32. It's very unfair. So, but sometimes, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.